Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade lime bars. They even have a lime glaze on the top. They are delicious, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then to make the crust, in a medium bowl, add the flour, powdered sugar, and salt, and mix them together until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed butter and rub it into the flour mixture until it forms a ball. Grease an 8-inch square baking pan with nonstick cooking spray and add the mixture to the pan and press it in until it spreads throughout the pan. Then bake it in the oven for 10 minutes. You don't want to bake it until it turns brown. And while it's baking, you can make the lime filling. In a small bowl, add the eggs, lime zest, lime juice, flour, sugar, and baking powder, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then pour the mixture over the crust and bake it in the oven for about 25 minutes. Once done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. While it's cooling, you can make the lime glaze. In a small bowl, add the powdered sugar and lime juice and mix them together until they're combined. Then add some water a tiny bit at a time until it forms a runnier but still thick glaze. Then once the lime bars are cooled completely, spread the glaze all over the top. And that's how to make homemade lime bars. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.